Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. Today's video is how to make your own apple cider vinegar at home from scraps. And we got a great deal on apples. I got them for 99 cents for a 3 or 4 pound bag of Fuji apples. We made canned apple pie filling. See the video. And now we're going to take what is left, the peels and the cores, and make it into apple scrap vinegar, apple cider vinegar. And this is the oldest way to do it, and actually the easiest. So here we go. Let's get into my face in it.
Okay. I didn't know if you went that way. Okay.
There. Those are all going in for apple cider vinegar. All the peels and the cores. There. These things are so handy.
They are.
All the years I did them by hand. Nothing goes to waste. Won't make a very good video.
What's that?
This one broke.
No.
What the heck? There we go.
It moved on you.
It did. That moved up right there. Moved on me.
There it goes. Let me get something to tighten it.
And after this apple, yes. First two went through perfect.
Worked loose enough. Ready?
Okay.
Cool water.
Cool water. And we're just going to put lids on very loosely, and we just let it set. If you want to jump start it, you can add some of the mother. Do you have any mother in the bottom of another vinegar jar?
Oh, this is just from scratch. I got plenty of other vinegars. Let's do that. I'd like to see how it does on its own. How long?
Oh, that's a great question. I can't tell you off the top of my head.
I keep thinking
It depends
3
on the
months or
temperature.
3 or 6 months. I keep
Yeah.
coming to in my head, but I don't know
In
why.
8 weeks, in 2 months we'll check it and take and strain all the solids out of it.
A little bit over here just to make that a little bit less.
Yep.
It's pretty.
Yeah, you want to be able to have everything
quits.
under the water.
Oop, that's for the chickens.
Chickens don't like that.
They appreciate it. Tammy's being stingy to the chickens.
Because anything on top will mold, and so yeah, just make sure. And if you have to, you can put a little weight in there.
What kind of weight?
Like I have like glass weights over at the camper, But if you have like a Ziploc bag with water, just to hold everything under the...
That might be a good idea for that one, especially. Yep. That way.
Doesn't matter. Just don't push the stuff down.
Over it. I think they'll do better the other way. Yep. Yeah, that's good.
Cover and place in a cool room. Be sure to check they don't bubble over. Sometimes they'll do that. And then we will, in 6 to 8 weeks, strain. Let it set until it forms a mother. And you'll have vinegar. Use the code REBELHARVEST20 at Superb to save 20% off in the month of August. Like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Sometimes YouTube does some funny things with that. And be sure to hit the like button on your way out. Thanks.